So I don't know if anybody's interested, but I mean, my LN106 doesn't have door cards. Well, it's got door cards, but it doesn't have like a pocket. So I was trying to think of good innovative ways of doing it that's cheap and easy to find. Now, the basic Holden Commodore has like a door holder, I suppose you would call it. And because they're not the ones with the speaker, you can pick these up cheap. I mean, nobody wants them. So the way I looked at this is they'll fit the door skins, you know, like that sort of a thing. So I was just going to do a bit of a quick video, and we'll see if we can get these to go on and see how they fit and look, and if they'll close, because the seats are relatively close and everything like that. So I figured we'll do that and see how we go. So see if you guys like this, and give me some feedback, put your comments down there and everything like that, and yeah, if this video does well and people like this sort of thing, I'll do a few more of them. So alright, let's get into it.
So now just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic.
Alright, let's start pulling door skin apart. Best way to get the window winder off is with a sock. As funny as that sounds. There you go. So you got a clip like that. You just put the sock over the winder, and then at the end, the lip of the sock will grab the clip and pull it straight off. Makes it so much easier than trying to get a screwdriver behind there and everything. So we're not too far off here. We should be able to get most of this out. There you go, door skin off. Now we can just measure up the card, and we'll screw it in from behind. See how that all goes. And we'll go from there. Alright, so here's my 106 skin that I just pulled off the door. Try and clear some room up, sorry guys and girls. 106 skin, ready to go. I'm going to make it so it lines up with this bottom mark. And then all we're going to do, well, all I'm going to do, is just mark where the holes are. I'll mark them on here first. There are other ways of going about this, but I mean, it's basically pot luck. As a Commodore fella, I've always only ever just winged it anyway, so. Now I'll grab a measuring tape and just measure them in. So they're all 20mm in from the holes anyways, except this main one, but that's alright. Should probably just measure that. Over there, mate. Drop it. Alright, so we just got to measure in from these holes now, where they are, and then we can put them in. Which is pretty close. So we'll drill these, and then we will start screwing them in. Like that. Just get yourself a good rag. And some brake clean. Just wipe it down. May as well while everything's off it. Like that. Grab my tack gun and we will put this on. Alright. And then there you have it. It's on. So I will put this back on the car and then we'll get on to the next one, which is basically just rinse and repeat. Alright. Alright, so I'm ready to put the skin back on now. We'll put the skin on and we'll start putting everything back on, and then it's basically home and hosed. So and there you have it. Commodore VRVS Commodore door holders on a LN106 Hilux. Done. And that's even the right matching colour. So there you go, guys. Just rinse and repeat on the other side, and this will be the 7th Axis tech tip for today. How about it?